Okay, hey Lisa, I'm gonna just show you how to do this. Pardon, Justin. Okay, so if you go to your calendar in your view, your Google Calendar, you'll go over here to create, and then you'll give it a title. So I'm just gonna use Kindle for an example. And then you just title it whatever you want. Kindle Speech Therapy with Miss Ivy. And then you'll go here and you'll choose the day. So I'm just gonna choose for tomorrow. Well, we do the 9:15, so you add in 9:15 to however long you want it. I think Google automatically sets it up as an hour. So I know that like with Kindle, we do about 30 minutes, so I'll change it to 9:45. And then right here is where you add guest. So this is how I added you. So I typed in your name, then you click on your name, and then since Kindle is the student that you want to invite, you type in her name, and it gives you all of the names that are in the district that are spelled exactly the way that you put it in there. So you'll pick Kendall Dunbar, and then you don't have to do anything with add location or join Hangout Meets or anything like that. The only other thing that you have to do is click save, and then it says, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guest? And then you'll click send. And then that will send it to the student's school email address. So their ID number that is associated with their email, it sends it to them. And then they just open their email. So this is Kendall's screen. So this would be Kendall's Gmail right here, her school email. So, sorry, it's never been opened. So if you see the first thing right here is I added a calendar invitation. So I'll click yes. And then that says on, like, it should send everybody an alert that says that you clicked yes. You can see it. You go back into your calendar view and go to tomorrow. Maybe. Oh, it is on tomorrow. Never mind. If you click it, it shows you who has, with the little check marks. So it says that Stephanie is the organizer, so obviously I'm coming. And then it shows you a check mark that Kendall has said yes, she is coming, and it's waiting on you. And then so what we would do, like if we were going to meet tomorrow, you would just come into your calendar at about 9:10 or whatever, whatever time. You would click right here where it says join Hangouts Meet. And I know I'm doing it prematurely early. So you can kind of see me on the screen right now. You would click join now. It says no one else is here, and then it pops up with you right there. And then it should give you like this ding when somebody else pops on the screen. And then when you're done, you just hit end, and you can exit out of that. And that is that. That's the most efficient way I know how to do it. If you're still kind of confused, let me know, and I can rework this to help you work through it. But as long as parents are able to access their kids' Gmail account from the school district, they will be able to do the Google Hangouts with you for whatever time you set it up. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.